If you're here, you love typewriters, and we do too, or at least you're interested in them. So welcome to Jot and Tittle Vintage Typewriters, and this is like my yearly-ish updated video to kind of remind you guys of who we are and what we do and what we offer. So my name is Laura. I am the owner of Jot and Tittle Vintage Typewriters, and together with my husband, Rob, we have been professionally servicing vintage typewriters since 2018, and we have done nearly 3,000 vintage typewriters. Not quite, but we're getting close. So, and some of the other things that we offer as well is we just don't want to sell you a typewriter. We want to help you use your typewriter. I mean, because really, that's what they're for, right? Not just to look pretty on a desk or a shelf, but to be used. So in addition to selling professionally serviced vintage typewriters, we have these YouTube tutorial videos, which are free. And we also offer Vintage Typewriters 101. That is something new that we started in 2024. And we're updating it again in 2025. And it is, I would love for you to find out more. You can click on the link or whatever's popping up around here. And you have an option. You can just get a workbook, or you could get the full course. And so you have some options there. Not to mention, we have an amazing community that gathers, well, we don't really gather, but I have a Saturday morning post. Goes out every Saturday morning, 6:15 a.m. Central Time. But it's an email. We have a wonderful community of vintage typewriter lovers, and we just have, it's just a short snippet of just talking about writing and typing, and then also letting you know what new typewriters we have in our shop for that week. So anyway, welcome to the channel. I hope you find what you're looking for. Check out our playlist, and we'll see you around. Bye.